What if I told you there's a prompting technique that can make ChatGPT generate better long form content while also making it significantly faster? Sounds impossible? Today we are learning Skeleton of Thought, a research backed prompting technique that helps AI think in an organized way before writing the final answer. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use it, when not to use it, and how companies use this idea to generate books, documentation, reports, and software specifications. Let's begin. Explain that instead of asking AI to write a 10-page essay in one go, we first ask it to create an outline, the skeleton. Once the outline is ready, each section is expanded independently. Compare option 1 versus option 2 shown in the PDF. Example, build documentation for an e-commerce API by first generating authentication, products, orders, payments, and deployment sections before expanding each. Explain why this improves structure and quality. Imagine you're teaching this concept to a beginner. Start with a simple explanation, then relate it to software engineering, AI products, and everyday developer workflows. Example, walk through a practical scenario, explain what prompt would be written, what response is expected, and why the technique improves quality. Mention the visual shown on this slide so viewers can connect the explanation with the PDF diagram. Don't worry if this feels advanced right now. On the next slide, you'll see it become much easier. Walk through step 1, step 2, and step 3 exactly as shown. Demonstrate with an essay on artificial intelligence. Show prompts for generating the skeleton and then expanding only point number 3. Mention that expansion requests can run in parallel, reducing latency. Discuss low latency, scalability, and consistent structure. Example, generating an employee handbook, software design document, and technical book. Great job! You've completed Skeleton of Thought. Let's quickly recap the key ideas, when to use this technique, and its biggest advantages. If you found this lesson valuable, like, subscribe, and comment your biggest takeaway. In the next lesson, we'll continue with another advanced prompting technique.